All right, hello guys. We're going to shoot another video today that's going to lead into a little more experimentation. But I want to show you how to set the pump for a fixed RPM. First and foremost, I always like to do a factory reset down to our little reset circle here, factory settings, confirmation, again in the margin. It always tells you what's going on here with the button. Click your big green button. It'll go into a complete reboot at that point. Only takes a minute, and of course I like to do this, which if you watch my other videos, because it starts you with a clean slate. If you come across one of these in the field, you don't have any idea what it's been set to or what other people have been playing with. So start with factory settings. So what we want to do today is start at a fixed RPM. So we're going down to our gear cog, set auto control, settings assistant, and today we're going all the way down to basic control modes, and we're going to look for speed. And what we're going to do is we're going to start it at the max RPMs or speed that this pump will go to, so it just kind of operates like a dumb pump. Nice thing about the Wilo is it'll tell you the min and the max RPM for this motor, which actually that's pretty low. I think that's lower than anybody else's ECM pump. You'd have to check me on that. So we can set our RPMs all the way up to the 2600, and then this pump will just operate as an on-off full speed pump when we do this. I'm going to back out, back to our home screen, and you'll see that we have our set point at 2600 RPM. We're speeding up to the 2600 RPM, and that gives us around almost a 13 GPM at 12.5 foot ahead. And this pump will also tell you that it's at the top of its curve. And let's take a look at our little ultrasonic flow meter, and that pretty much agrees with us. 13.2, and we're right around 13, bouncing around in here. So again, for those of you who haven't seen it before, this is my little hydronic helper. It's basically a small loop with some balance valves, and for this experiment I got the bypass wide open, so it's not pushing through my little 1/2 inch balance valves. What I'd also like to see is where this is operating on the curve, and then I would also like to incrementally slow down the different RPMs and plot a system curve. So for those of you who aren't interested in that and just want to set this to like a dumb pump, that's all you need to know. And look for the next video on plotting this out at different RPMs on the pump curve.